is the water running at my back doorstep across my property from the city street. And you can see out in front, the city street is overflowing my property. And I can't walk out in the front, but the whole front is flooded.